Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you the step-by-step tutorial of how to draw Durga Ma's face, and we will ensure that we maintain symmetry on the face with the help of lines. So first I am drawing a rough oval shape, and then I will be drawing a vertical line to act as a reference for the face symmetry, and that is where we are going to draw the chin of Durga Ma. Now we will be drawing 4 lines depicting the eyes, the nose and the lips. As you can see that I have drawn 2 lines very close to the central line, and I am drawing a circle, and this will be how we are going to draw the nose. Now I am going to take the edge of the nose and I'm going to draw the eyebrows. As you can see that I have first drawn the right eyebrow, and with the help of the reference line drawn on the top of the right eyebrow, I am drawing the left eyebrow. Similarly, I am going to draw the eyes, and I am using those reference lines that I had drawn initially to draw the eyes. Now coming to the lips, as you can see that I am doing a slight dip of the lips at the central line, and this is how I am going to draw the lips. So now I am going to draw the third eye, and again I am using the central vertical line to draw the third eye. And as you can see that I am using the junction of the lines between the eyebrows and the vertical line to draw the bindi. And now I am going to draw the iris and the pupils. Now I'm going to roughly draw a curly hair of Durga Ma, and again I am using the central vertical line as a reference. As you can see that I have drawn a line tangential to the lower part of the lips, and at the junction I'm going to draw the neck of Durga Ma, and I am using the line which I used for drawing the eyebrows to draw the ears of Durga Ma. And that's it. I'm rubbing off the reference lines and I'm drawing the rest of the hair of Durga Ma, and our painting is complete. Hope you liked this video, and if you have learned something new, please do drop a like and share this video to your friends who wants to learn the perfect symmetry of a face. Thank you.